And we've gone from a party that was difficult for us to win up to 5 House of Rep members. We won about 5 or 6, but the other 3 were taken at the tribunal level, and we ended up with 2. But a party that has been struggling with that, all of a sudden, because of a clear step that was taken, what all of us did together, we said, come, what do we want to do? Why are we running party? We are running party for Nigeria. And our democracy is in tatters. And we all agreed we want to do everything that is possible to forge ahead. And we have done it. Today, your party has over 100 and something elected persons already, even without election.
ADC!
We have about 28 senators and 46 House of Rep members. The number of House of Assembly members we have is difficult to collate, but they are almost over 50 yet for now. And I can assure you one thing, for the step you've taken so that Nigerian democracy will be on the track again, instead of one party, one individuals wanting to create fascism, convert Nigeria to one state, to one party state. It was only ADC that said no. Our party ADC said no. And Nigerians trooped out to embrace us for saying no, that we must have an opposition party, another party in force. Nigeria, no matter the kind of money you spend, you cannot buy all Nigerians.